Well, as is usual, I got a little bit carried away. I couldn't do the rods because of the bearing thing, but I grabbed the crank pinning kit. Sorry, let me show you that again. Crank pinning kit. I think I got this from, oh, I can't remember now. These guys, Integrated Engineering. That's a different part. Integrated Engineering. So it comes with proper drill bit, 2 pins, and a reamer. And all I did is I set this guy on here, locked my feet there so it wouldn't roll backwards, and I drilled through there, used the hole in the pulley that they sent with the kit. This pulley came with the kit and had the 2 holes in it. So I drilled the first hole, then I ran the reamer in there and in the pulley, put the pin in. So now I've got my second hole to drill, and I put the pin in because I want the second hole to be accurate based on where it's pinned, and you can see it's not moving anywhere now. It had a little bit of just a little shake to it before. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So now I'm going to go ahead and drill the next one in the same manner and put those up there and to about the same depth, and we'll put the other pin in, and then we'll be ready for putting the pulley on when it comes time. See how we did? Definitely made more mess. More mess. About halfway. Clean this guy off again. Satisfied with that. All right, we'll give her some cleaning up to do. Angle. Put my hand in front of the camera so it wouldn't get on the lens. That stuff melts lenses, in case anybody didn't know. Does not like them at all. Now, I'll switch the bit here. Go to this reamer. I'm kind of keeping my hand loose so the reamer will go where it wants to go. Work it, and I'll clean it again. Go ahead and clean the back of this, just because. Alrighty then. Gotta love it. Best smelling stuff in the world right there, buddy. All right, check the pin fitment. We're on this hole. A little bit tight. That one's loose. So let's hit it with the reamer a little bit more. All right, we're going to have to live with that, I think, because it's about as loose as it's going to get. love it. Breathe deep, man. Breathe deep. Good for you. Somehow I don't think so. Boop. Well, this guy goes in here too. Yeah, it goes in there, so. All right, tap this guy on here. There you go. Check the back. Make sure she's locked in. And then, see if you can get it coming back off. It's on there pretty tight. And crooked. Appears. I'm sure we put it on with the socket, it'll be alright. For the bolt. Yep. Work it off now. Yeah, buddy. Pins are in there. About the same depth. Yeah, there you have it. See if I can get a close up of that. So it's got a dual pins. Dual pins. Some of them have single pins. This is the integrated engineering unit. Like I said, it's just a kit. And what I did is I placed it on there and drilled one hole, put the pin in, and then used that to align the second hole so that they go on. You see they're snug, but it still comes off, so not in some weird angle or, you know, off to the side. So looks like it worked out all right. So we'll call that a victory, and yeah, we got at least something done this weekend without our rod bearings. But that's okay. It's just something else that needed to be done. So I mean, can't always, doesn't always work the way you want. But I think I'll keep that. I don't know why. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna do, but if I get another one, I just gotta get a pulley. Can't find my other crank for this motor. I was wanting to look for it so I could. What I was gonna do is bolt it in, and then cut a groove out of the crank pulley. I'm sorry, out of the crank bolt, so I could bolt it in and then drill right past it. But I couldn't find that old crank bolt from the broken motor. So anyway, there you have it. That's done.